So I'm gonna make a hard surface spray, a furniture polish, and I'm also gonna show you how we clean our windows and our glass. And most of it's gonna be items that you already have. Hey guys, I'm Kelsey with Homemade Millennial, and welcome back to my channel. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and also give this video a like if you enjoy it. But I just wanted to share a few products that I make at home for cleaning, to eliminate chemicals and to save on costs. I started researching how to make my own chemical-free cleaners once we found out that I was pregnant with my son, because I was exposing myself to him and then essentially exposing the baby to it. And you can purchase all of your supplies at the dollar store. Now onto my furniture polish. You're going to need 3 parts of white vinegar to 1 part of olive oil. So I've got 1 cup of the vinegar and 1/3 of a cup of the olive oil. I'm just going to use a funnel to add that in. And again, you can use essential oils if you'd like to add a fragrance. You will smell the vinegar when you spray it, but once it dries, you will no longer have that vinegar scent. It is especially important to shake this up before each use because the vinegar and the olive oil do separate. The labels I got from Dollar Tree, I think they were 32 a pack, and I just wrote what the cleaning solution is and how to make it. This cleaner is great for your wood furniture. It's non-toxic, so it's safe for your pets and your animals, and it works great on smudges. How to make my all-purpose surface cleaner is you need 1 part of rubbing alcohol to 3 parts of water. So I've got a cup of water in here, and I went ahead and added 1/3 of a cup of the rubbing alcohol. And if you would like to add a fragrance, a natural fragrance, I recommend essential oils. I like lemon, and you want to add 10 drops to that. And lastly, you want a couple of drops of a dishwashing soap. I recommend shaking it up before each use to make sure it's mixed well. I use this cleanser daily in my kitchen and in my bathroom because of its disinfecting properties. To clean my bathtub, I first spray it down with water. Next, I apply a light dusting of baking soda all on the tub. Then I use a scrubbing sponge to work in the baking soda. After letting that set for a couple of minutes, I just rinse it away with some warm water, and it leaves a clean, shiny bathtub. My glass cleaner is simply water with a e-cloth until dry. I'll leave a link of where to buy that from in the description box. Thank you guys for watching again, and I hope this video was helpful and had some tips that you can use in your own home. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and if you enjoyed this video, press that like button, and leave me a comment down below and let me know something that you're using in your home that's eliminated one of your chemical cleaners. Remember to subscribe and then press the like button if you enjoyed this video.